what exactly is Bitcoin? Like in simple terms, Bitcoin is nothing but a Excel sheet. So it's a database wherein there are entries that okay, this person with this public key owns this much amount of Bitcoin. It just in simple terms, it is nothing but an Excel sheet. Now this is this is the data. It's a database. So similarly, all the nodes in the Bitcoin network have this data that which person owns how much Bitcoin. Now we'll talk about that in a minute, like why we need nodes in the Bitcoin network. So let's say I have one Bitcoin. So in the Bitcoin system, I own one Bitcoin. When I want to transfer it to somebody, there is a process involved. So these miners, keep track of which person owns which address owns how much Bitcoin. Now when you want to send the Bitcoin, you need to make a transaction that okay, I want to send my Bitcoin to a certain public key. Somebody's payment. The address just looks like this. It's a random address, and we need to tell how much Bitcoins we want to transfer, and then we sign it with a private key. Now the beauty of the blockchains is that the entire thing is secured by mathematics. In traditional banks, you need permissions. You need you are at the discretion of the bank. They might honor or not honor your check. They might not let you withdraw the money. In the Bitcoin network, it's all mathematics. If you have your private key, nobody can stop you from transferring your funds. Now, the Bitcoin does not require any central authority. It does not require any ID. It's practically impossible to block. And it takes some time to settle. Like it takes an hour to settle. And your Bitcoin can only be spent once. If by mistake you send it to somebody, there's no way of recovering back. In banks, you have that option because there is a central authority who rules over the account. And Bitcoin, there's no central authority. You own the private key. If you transfer it to somebody, there's no way of getting your funds back.